Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can merge two images, or you can say overlap one image on another that it's the part of the another image, right? It's not that difficult. It's very easy to implement such thing. First, what we're gonna do, we need one image. You can click on file and open open this image which have no background, and the another image on which I want to place this image. So first I will pick this up, pick this image and go there and I place it here, right? So we are going to use a tool known as harmonize, okay, to make both of them look that this tiger image is basically overlapping, or you can say it looks similar to be the part of this image where we have this big giant robot. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna take this part out a little bit like this, because I want, like it must look that this tiger is actually a part of this image. So you need to do the adjustments according to your choice, right? I'm making this like this. I think this is okay, right? Then after that, we are going to go to the filter section, and I'm going to click on the neural filters. Okay, click on this in your Photoshop and click on harmonization. You need to search, you can search also, right? Click on harmonization. Now the thing is, this one is still, I'm going to first select the layer. You will see what's the differences. Okay, so when I click on it, now you can see that it's a bit matching now with this color, right? There are a few things you can change to make it mm, look much better, right? How we can make the color similar. For this, I'm gonna go for the brightness. I'm increasing the brightness a little bit, right? I'm going for 10, and then I'm going for the saturation. The saturation actually makes a lot of impact. You can see here, if I go to negative saturation, the color is becoming more like black and white. But if I increase the saturation, it goes more similar to the color that we have for the robot. So I'm going to select like nearby 25. You can see this color matches a lot similar to the color of this giant robot. So always, make sure to select this brightness and saturation according to your image. And now you can see it looks that this tiger is actually the part of this image. So I can click on OK, right? And I click on deselect. And now I got the image where this tiger and the robot both are looking like they are the part of one image, right? And we have merged both tiger and the robot, right? Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to the file section. You can go to export and you can export as PNG, and you can save this image on your computer. I hope you have liked this video, you have understood the concept. Please share with your friends, like and subscribe my channel for more. I'll see you in the next video.